fellow Americans, we cannot escape history. We of this Congress and this administration will be remembered in spite of ourselves. No personal significance or insignificance can spare one or another of us. The fiery trail through which we pass will light us down in honor or dishonor to the latest generation. We, even we here, hold the power and bear the responsibility.
It's my pleasure to introduce to you tonight Casey Canino.
What I'm wondering right now is how I am going to match such an extraordinary performance by the Reno Philharmonic. You guys are awesome.